A 144. This isn't just a smartphone. This is POVA curve. Crafted with purpose. A 144 Hz curved AMOLED display. Not just assembled, but sculpted. At 7.45 millimeters, India's slimmest curve pairs with a 5,500 mAh battery. Proof that slimness needs no compromise. Introducing New Horizon of Intelligence. Meet Ella, not an assistant, but a partner, which speaks your language. Stuck somewhere? You better ask Ella. But innovation isn't just about power. It's about connection. Intelligent Signal Hub and no network calling, with the freedom to call without a SIM, means you're never out of reach. Powered by the D7300 processor, up to 16 gigabytes RAM, and 11-layer VC cooling. Performance isn't claimed, it's proven. A powerful 64-megapixel camera captures every detail. Dolby Atmos immerses you, all wrapped in IP64 durability. POVA Curve isn't just built to impress, it's built to redefine what a smartphone can be.